Hello, you're watching Kitty's English and I'm here to teach English grammar, and our today's topic is how to solve questions based on pronouns. Okay, so here is the first question. Identify the correct form of pronoun in the following sentences. First sentence is many of them came but few stayed. बहुत से लोग आए लेकिन कुछ ही लोग लंबे समय तक रुके. ठीक है, many of them came but few stayed long. So here many is the indefinite pronoun, them is the personal pronoun, while few is the indefinite pronoun. Okay, I hope you have already understood what are the different types of pronouns. Okay, at indefinite pronoun you know what is an indefinite pronoun. जो चीज़ definite ना हो, जिसके बारे में हमको exact पता ना हो, तो many अगर यूज़ हो रहा है तो many का मतलब क्या, कितना. ठीक है, तो हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं है. सो मैनी इज़ द इंडेफिनेट प्रोनाउन हियर. देम इज़ द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, जो कि आई, शी, ही, इट, दे, वी, अस. ठीक है, देम, ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं दीज आर ऑल दी पर्सनल pronouns. Okay, so many is the indefinite pronoun, them is the personal pronoun, while few is the indefinite pronoun here. Second sentence is give everybody something to eat before they leave. ठीक है, everybody and something, again it is the indefinite pronoun because we have no idea about how many, how much. Okay, then they is also the personal pronoun again. ठीक है, third sentence is what did you bring. what means interrogative. yes, question पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे, what did you bring, तुम क्या लेकर आए. so what is the interrogative pronoun and you is the personal pronoun. Fourth sentence is did they teach themselves how to speak French. they again is the personal pronoun and themselves is the reflexive pronoun. क्योंकि sentence में क्या बोल रहा है देखो, did they teach themselves how to speak French, मतलब जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है ना, did they जो हैं और themselves जो हैं, दोनों एक ही पर्सन की बात कर रही है. ठीक है. सो क्या उन लोगों ने खुद को फ्रेंच बोलना सिखा दिया है. ठीक है, खुद को मतलब खुद पे ही रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, खुद की ही बात हो रही है, रिफ्लेक्शन भी खुद पे ही हो रहा है. ठीक है, that is why it will be the reflexive pronoun. Okay, fifth sentence is after he cut himself he went for a tetanus shot. now he is the personal pronoun while himself is the reflexive pronoun क्योंकि उसने खुद को ही कट किया है और खुद ही टेटनस लेने का इंजेक्शन लेने गया हुआ है. Sixth sentence is all of those are expensive. now all is the again indefinite pronoun while those is the demonstrative pronoun क्योंकि demonstrative pronoun में हम this, that, those, ठीक है, ये सारे वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं बताने के लिए, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए, पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए कि हम एग्जैक्टली बात किस चीज़ की कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सेवन सेंटेंसेज आई नो द गर्ल हुज नेम इज़ जेन. मैं जानती हूँ उस गर्ल को जिसका नाम जेन है. सो आई इज़ द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन वाइल हुज इज़ द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन क्योंकि मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन को मैं जेन से जोड़ रही हूँ, रिलेट कर रही हूँ. दैट इज़ वाई हियर हुज जो वर्ड है दैट इज़ द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. She walked downstairs. now she is the personal pronoun here. Okay, ninth is the boy ate his dinner. now his is the possessive pronoun here. ठीक है, the boy ate his dinner, इसका उसका मतलब his, her, their. ठीक है, ये जो वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं माइन, माई, आर्स, योर्स, तो यहाँ पर जो होता है तेरा मरा वाला सिस्टम जो मैंने बताया था पहले ही वीडियो में, possessive pronoun. 10th is मिया एंड जोन्स लव ईच अदर. मिया और जोन्स जो है एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. सो नाउ दिस इज द रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन हियर बिकॉज ईच अदर, वन अनदर जहाँ पे आ जाता है दैट वन इज द रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन. Okay, now let us come to question number 2 which says in the following sentences use pronouns in place of noun wherever you can. So the first sentence is from the top of the hill Shyam and Sundar saw the Northumberland Strait. Northumberland is a country. ठीक है, तो श्याम और सुंदर जो है वो पहाड़ की चोटी पे चढ़ गए और वहाँ से उनको नॉर्थम्बरलैंड सीधा सीधा दिख रहा था. सो यहाँ पे श्याम और सुंदर की जगह वी विल इंस्टेड यूज द वर्ड दैट इज द प्रोनाउन दे. और सेंटेंस क्या फॉर्म होगा, सेंटेंस फॉर्म होगा कि फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द हिल दे सॉ द नॉर्थम्बरलैंड स्ट्रेट. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज द सूप वॉज डिलीशियस. ओके, तो यहाँ पे द सूप वॉज डिलीशियस की जगह हम द सूप की जगह इट का यूज़ करेंगे, इट प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे और सेंटेंस बन जाएगा इट वॉज डिलीशियस. थर्ड सेंटेंस इज कार्ल रोड दी हॉर्स. कार्ल रोड दी हॉर्स, यहाँ पर क्या होगा ही रोड दी हॉर्स. Okay, Meeta and Seema performed in the talent show. So again here we will be using the pronoun they instead of Meeta and Seema, and the sentence will be formed as they performed in the talent show. Fifth is Gianna petted the puppy. अब Gianna जो भी है, Gianna petted the puppy. Now here will be Gianna is a girl, and if we will say use the pronoun she here, so the sentence will be formed as she petted the puppy. Louis cleaned the house. So Louis is a boy, so we will be using he instead of Louis, and the sentence will be formed as he cleaned the house. Seventh sentence is Lisa and I baked the cake. So Lisa and I मतलब मैं और लीजा मिल करके केक बनाए, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे वहाँ पे we is the pronoun we are going to use here, and the sentence will be formed as we baked the cake. Eighth sentence is Kamal is my friend. So instead of Kamal we can use the pronoun he there, and the sentence will be formed as he is my friend. Ninth sentence is the presentation was very interesting. So instead of the presentation we can use the pronoun it, and the sentence will be formed as it was very interesting. 10th sentence is Mark and Joe did well on the science project. So instead of Mark and Joe we can use the pronoun they, and the sentence will be formed as they did well on the science project. Now let us come to the question number 3, which says write the correct form of pronoun in the following blanks. So here are 10 fill in the blanks given, where you have to write down the appropriate pronoun and form this sentence complete. So the first one is be sure that everyone brings dash own book. So be sure that everyone brings his book own book, or be sure that everyone brings her ओन बुक. तो यहाँ पे हिज या हर में से कुछ भी यूज हो सकता है. Second sentence is Mark and Dash have been very good friends for years. So Mark and I have been very good friends for years. Third sentence is if Dash calls, tell them that Dash will be back in an hour. ठीक है, यहाँ पे होगा if anyone calls, अगर कोई भी कॉल करता है, tell them that I will be back in an hour. अगर कोई भी कॉल करता है तो उसे कह देना कि मैं 1 घंटे बाद आऊँगा. Fourth sentence is did you see Tom and Dash at the match? So did you see Tom and him at the match? ठीक है, क्या तुमने उसे और टॉम को मैच में देखा? Fifth sentence is between you and Dash a politician match cannot be trusted. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बिटवीन यू एंड मी अ पॉलिटिशियन मैच कैन नॉट बी ट्रस्टेड. मतलब मैं पूछ रही हूँ किसी से कि तुम्हारे और मेरे बीच में ये राजनीति के ऊपर बातचीत, ऐसी बहस, ओहो, कैन नॉट बी ट्रस्टेड. ठीक है, या फिर क्या हम पॉलिटिशियन क्या मैच कर सकते हैं, मतलब हम क्या कंपटीशन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो कैन नॉट बी ट्रस्टेड. ओके, चलो. 6th क्वेश्चन इज ईच पर्सन इन द रूम टर्न्ड डैश हेड टू द फ्रंट व्हेन द टीचर entered. So each person in the room turned whose head? Yes, his head. Head to the front when the teacher entered. 7th is the local government plans to cut dash budget for recreation. So here it will be the local government plans to cut its budget for recreation. It's किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? लोकल गवर्नमेंट के लिए. 8th sentence is dash who purchased one of the paintings was pleased. Okay, so here it will be everyone who purchased one of the paintings was pleased. 9th sentence says Christopher and Dash want to travel to the फार ईस्ट समडे. ठीक है, क्रिस्टोफर और मैं यानी कि क्रिस्टोफर एंड आई वॉन्ट टू ट्रैवल टू द फार ईस्ट समडे. हम दुनिया के ईस्ट वाले हिस्से में बहुत दूर तक जाकर ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं. 10th and the final sentence is the cost of the repairs shocked both my brother and Dash. So the cost of the repairs shocked both my brother and me. Okay, so now let us come to this question number 4, which says join together each of the following pairs of sentences by the means of connective. What does this mean? Let us solve the exercise first. Sentence number 1 is I know lady, full stop, the lady has been to London. Now here are two separate sentences given which you have to join using a relative pronoun and form a single sentence. Okay, so I know lady, the lady has been to London will be joined by the relative pronoun who, and it will form the sentence as I know the lady who has been to London. Okay, second sentence is I saw a girl, she was singing, and this sentence will again be joined with using the using the relative pronoun who, and the sentence will form as I saw the girl who was singing. Third sentence is I met a boy, he was very cruel. Now, this sentence again will be joined using the relative pronoun that is who, and it will form as I met the boy who was very cruel. Okay, fourth sentence is the child is dead. I saw the child last week. Now, this sentence will be joined using the relative pronoun whom, and the sentence will form as the child whom I saw last week is dead. Fifth sentence is the horse was lame. We saw the horse. Okay. Now this sentence will be joined using the relative pronoun that is that, and sentence will form as the horse that we saw was lame. Sixth sentence is she is a ruse. No one trusts her. Now, this sentence will be formed using the relative pronoun whom, and it will form as she whom no one trusts is a ruse. Okay. Seventh sentence is he does his best. He should be praised. Now, this sentence is going to be joined using the relative pronoun who, and the sentence will form as he who does his best should be praised. Eighth sentence is M.F. Hussain is famous. He made some famous paintings. This sentence will be joined using the relative pronoun who, and it will form as M.F. Hussain, comma, who made some famous paintings, comma, is famous. M.F. Hussain, who made some famous paintings, is famous. Okay. Now, ninth sentence is we met a boy. The boy had lost his way. This sentence will be formed using the relative pronoun who, and it will be formed as we met the boy who had lost his way. 10th and the final sentence is the lady is honest, the lady is trusted. Now this sentence will be formed using the relative pronoun who, and the sentence will form as the lady who is honest is trusted. Okay, so now let us come to question number 5, which says fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. Now here are 5 of the questions given in the form of fill in the blanks, and there are two options given on the right side of the sentence, from which you have to choose one pronoun and use it in the blank given. Okay, so first sentence is this is dash book. So here we will be using my. This is my book. Second sentence is those books are dash. So those books are yours. Y-O-U-R-S, yours. Third is here is your book. Take dash away. So here is your book. Take it away. ठीक है. Fourth is the baby has torn dash clothes. So the baby has torn its clothes. ठीक है. Fifth sentence is those beggars are idle dash refuse to work. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा? Those beggars are idle, they refuse to work. So पहला सेंटेंस क्या था? This is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. सेकेंड था those books are yours. ये तुम्हारी किताबें हैं. थर्ड was here is your book. Take it away. ये रही तुम्हारी किताब. इसको लेकर जाओ. फोर्थ वॉज द बेबी टॉन इट्स क्लोथ्स. यहाँ होगा बच्चे ने अपने कपड़े फाड़ दिए हैं. दोज बेगर्स आर आइडल डैश रिफ्यूज टू दोज बेगर्स आर आइडल दे रिफ्यूज टू वर्क. ये बिल्कुल ही एकदम आइडल बेगर्स हैं. ये अपना काम वही काम करेंगे बेगिंग का ही. ठीक है. ये लोग काम नहीं करना चाहते, कोई अदर काम नहीं करना चाहते. Okay, so now let us come to the final and the sixth question, which says, in the following sentences, use pronouns in place of noun wherever you can. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं टोटल 5 एंड यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, जहाँ जहाँ पे नाउन दिया हुआ है वहाँ वहाँ पे आपको प्रोनाउन यूज करना है. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज जॉन गेव जॉन्स पेन टू जेम्स एंड जेम्स लेंट द पेन टू जॉन टू राइट जॉन्स कॉपी विद द पेन. कितना इनअप्रोप्रिएट लग रहा है नहीं, बार बार जॉन बार बार जेम्स आ रहा है सेंटेंस में. तो यहाँ पे हम प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे. तो सेंटेंस विल बी फॉर्म्ड एज जॉन गेव हिज पेन टू जेम्स and James lent it to John to write her copy with the pen. ठीक है, John gave his pen to James. John ने अपनी पेन जेम्स को दी and James lent it to John और जेम्स ने फिर उसके बाद वो पेन जॉन को दी. ठीक है, क्या करने के लिए, to write her copy with the pen, ताकि वो अपनी कॉपी जो है पेन से लिख सके. Second sentence is Rama had taken Rama's watch out of his pocket and was looking at the watch uneasily, shaking the watch every now and then and holding his watch to his car. Okay, so it will be formed as Rama had taken his watch out of his pocket and was looking at it uneasily, shaking it every now and then and holding it to his car. Okay, third sentence is Atul loved Sandeep's sweater and asked Sandeep from where Sandeep had bought the sweater. Okay, so it will be formed as Atul loved Sandeep's sweater and asked him from where he had bought it. Fourth sentence is Sita informed Rama that Rama's cab was late in arriving and therefore Rama might go home with Sita. So it will be formed as Sita informed Rama that his cab was late in arriving and therefore he might go home with her. The last sentence is Lata found Lata's books torn by Lata's brother. तो यहाँ पे होगा Lata found her books. Okay, Lata found her books torn by her brother. Okay, so now we come to an end with solving these questions and I hope you have understood how to solve the questions based on pronouns. So to do it very easily, first of all, you have to go through all the topics, all the types of pronouns and understand it very, very clearly. Okay, first you should clear your concepts, your basics, then you should come to solve the questions. Okay, and as much as number of questions you are going to solve, that much you are going to understand the concept and the basics of the topic very easily. So I hope you understood, and if there's still any doubt, do ask it in the comment section. All the queries will be answered. And enjoy the session, keep watching, and share it with all your friends, those who need to watch it and need to learn. And take care, study hard, and bye bye.